Three grammar mistakes na madalas marinig sa everyday conversation tulad ng I'm craving for pizza. Let's discuss about it at the teacher emphasized on grammar. Ang nakakagulat, pare-pareho lang ang grammar problem nila. Ang problem isn't really the words for, about, o on. Ang totoong problem is that these verbs don't need a preposition because they already take a direct object. Let's break it down. First, I'm craving for pizza. It should be, I'm craving pizza. Ang verb na crave is a transitive verb. Ibig sabihin, direkta na siyang kumokonekta sa object. Sa example na ito, ang object ay ang pizza. Kaya hindi na kailangan ang for dahil complete na ang meaning ng verb. Second, let's discuss about the issue. Hindi yun tama. It should be let's discuss the issue. Here's why. Ang word na discuss already means to talk about something. So kapag sinabi mong discuss about, inuulit mo lang ang pare-parehong idea. In grammar, we call that redundancy. Third, the teacher emphasized on grammar. Ang tama ay the teacher emphasized grammar. Again, emphasize is a transitive verb. Direkta rin itong kumokonekta sa object, kaya hindi na kailangan ang on. One more bonus example, I requested for a copy. Dapat, I requested a copy. Pero mag-ingat dito. Kapag request is used as a verb, huwag gumamit ng for. Pero kapag noun na siya, tama na ang for. Halimbawa, I made a request for a copy. Kaya mahalagang alam mo, hindi lang ang meaning ng isang word, kundi pati ang function nito sa sentence.